Hello student, today we are going to learn maths of class 4 second part chapter 1. In last class we have learned up to 100,000 place. Today we are going to learn one step more, that is up to 10,000 place value. So before that we have to learn that smallest 4 digit number, that means smallest 4 digit number, smallest 5 digit number, smallest 6 digit number. Then we have to learn about greatest 4 digit number, greatest 5 digit number, greatest 6 digit number, and more, which are in this class we are going to learn. Before that we have to know that 1000 is divided into two part, that is 10,000 and 1000, and ones is divided into three part, that is 100, tens and ones. Then we have to know about face value and place value. Face value we all know that the digit itself, and place value is the digit where digit is placed it according to its place. Then we are going to try to write it in standard form and in expanded form. Okay, let us start. First we going to learn greatest and smallest number. See here, if we add to greatest 3 digit number 1, then that means 999 plus 1, then it become smallest 4 digit number, that is 1000. If we add greatest 4 digit 1, that means 9999, yes, 9999, then it become smallest 5 digit number, that is 10,000. Then we are going to learn about place and face value. Okay, see, we will try to plot of 54,321 into its place and face value. But we write it in expanded form, that means 50,000, 4,320 plus 1. Then we will place its place value and face value. See here, since 5 is in the 10,000 place, so its place value is 50,000 and face value is 1. 4 is in the 1000 place, so its place value is 4,000 and face value is 4. 3 is in the 100 place, so its value is 300 place value and face value is 3. Since 2 is in the 10th place, so its face value is 20 and face value is 2. Since 1 is in the ones place, so its place value is 1 and face value is 1. So standard form of this will be, if we add this place value, that means 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1, then it gives us 54,321. और अगर आपको और भी कुछ जानना हो या समझना हो या कुछ और आप चाहते हो तो मुझे आप इसमें कमेंट कर सकते हो, और साथ में अगर आपको हिंदी में भी समझना हो तो मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हो कि सर कुछ चीज़ इसमें हिंदी में भी समझाइए, तो आपको मैं अगर समझा दूंगा, बस आपको कमेंट करना है. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी विल गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट lakhs, that means one step further from 1000, and here lakhs is divided into two parts, that is 10 lakh and lakh and 10 lakh. Before that we have to know about again greatest 5 digit, smallest 6 digit, greatest 6 digit and smallest 6 digit, same as we have learned before. Now let us see greatest and smallest number. If we add greatest 5 digit 1, that is 99,999, if we add 1, then it become smallest 6 digit number, that is 1 lakh. Then if we add greatest 6 digit 1, that is 9,99,999 plus 1, then it become smallest 7 digit, that is it will be 10 lakh. There is a comma mistake, okay. The comma will be placed it here, okay. For that, sorry, it is a mistake of printing. Now see here, place value and face value. See, we are going to plot 6,54,321. Before we have plot 54,321, but here we are going to plot one step more, that is the lakh place. So let us see here. Expanded form of 6,54,321 will be 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Then we will going to plot according to their place value. Let's see. First we plot lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Then we have plotted 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 according to their place value. Let's see. 6 is in the lakh place, so its place value is 6 lakh. 5 is in the 1,000 place, so its place value is 50,000. 4 is in the place of 1,000, so its place value is 4,000. 3 is in the place of 100, so its place value is 300. 2 is in the place of 10, so its place value is 20, and 1 is in the place of 1, so its place value is 1. Since the place value of digits itself, so 6 face value is 6, 5 place value is 5, 4 face value is 4, 3 face value is 3, 2 face value is 2, and 1 face value is 1. Now see next. In standard form, if we unite them, that means if we combine them and add them, then we get our standard form of the digit. Let us see. First we add 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Then we get it is in written in standard form as 6,54,321. Let us see next. Let's see this one step more. In last we have learned about to plotting up to 100 to plotting up to lakh place value. Now we will go one step more, that is 10 lakh place value we will plot here. See here is given an example. Same we will do here. See here. First we are going to plot place and face value of 76,54,321. Now see here. In expanded form we can write it 70 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Then we will plot it according to their place values. Let's see. 7 is in the place of 10 lakh, so its place value is 70 lakh. 6 is in the place of 6 in lakh, so its place value is 6 lakh. 5 is in the place of 10,000, so its place value is 50,000. Since 4 is in the place of 1,000, so its place value is 4,000. 3 is in the place value of 300, so its place value is 300. So 2 is in the place of 10, so its place value is 2. And since 1 is in the place value of 1, so its place value is 1. Next we are see here is face value. It will be same 7 8 6 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, since it is as is well. Now if we add it, then we get our standard form written as, first we combine the expanded form, that means 70 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1, and we get 76,54,321. It is our standard form of the digit. So here we have learned both things. We will try here learn how we can write a number in expanded form, how we can place it in digit between place value and face value. Then we have learned here how to combine and write them in a standard form. Now we will going to learn, this is the exercise, first exercise. So 1.1 that you have to do at your home and try to write it as I have shown you. Okay, and you can use your own idea also if you want to. Now see, now we are going to learn about comparing and ordering number. See, comparing ordering number, we have to first know predecessor and successor. That is, predecessor is a number less than 1 than the number. That means number minus 1 is predecessor. That means, let us suppose 47,283, if you minus 1, then its predecessor will be 47,282, 1 less. And see here into successor, a successor of a number is more than the number. That is, if the number is number, then if we add 1, then we get a successor of it. That means 1 more. That is 47,283. If we add 1, then we get 47,284. That is successor. So that we can say that 47,283 predecessor is 47,282 and successor is 47,284. Same thing. Then we are going to compare the number. That means, let's see how we compare. That means how we can compare which number is greater, which number is smaller. See here. See an example comparing orders. See here. Before starting, we must know that about predecessor successor. The predecessor of a number is less than the number, that is, the number is minus 1 is predecessor. For example, 50 minus 1 is gives 49, and successor of a number is more than 1 the number, that is successor. That is, see here, if we add 49 plus 1 is given as 50. That is, so you can say that 50 predecessor is 49 and 49 successor is 50. Same thing. Now see here, comparing two numbers. Suppose we are going to compare two numbers. That means 5,43,210 and 6,54,321. Let us first place it, but arrange it their place value. See, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Then we plot this number 54321 according to their place value, and we have as the number is given, we just plot it, and we get that 5 is in the lakh place, then 4 is in the 4,000 place, 3 is in the 10,000, 1,000, and 2 is in the 100, and 1 is in the ones, and 0 is in the ones place. So your value will be 5,43,210. Then our next number is 6,54,321. Then starting comparing from the extreme left, the number we see that 6 lakh is greater than 5 lakh. See here, last place value is 6 lakh, so we compare from the extreme left, which is greater from there. That means lakh place, first we compare, that is 5 is smaller than 6, so it is 6 is greater than the 5. So we got here 6 lakh is greater than 5 lakh. So we conclude that 6,54,323